Meanwhile, Minister of Justice Deliever is again raising concern about judges who take unusually long times to deliver judgments in cases they preside over. The minister says it's a big problem which he will be tackling. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with that story.
At the end of every court case, judges are supposed to provide a summation on their judgment, bringing the case to a close. Our checks reveal that in a lot of instances, that has not been happening. The Justice Minister says he's unable to state the amount of outstanding judgments there were, but he said it was enough for him to be alarmed.
This is a major concern that I've expressed, and I think the Prime Minister is also very concerned about, because we do get a lot of letters from persons who have judgments outstanding for years.
Mr. Chuck says judgments should be ready within a fairly quick timeline. He gave an example.
I have said 6 months should be a maximum, and in fact most countries feel that 3 months is the norm.
Mr. Chuck made it clear, however, that most judges comply.
So when we highlight, a few judges who don't, we must not give the impression that all judges behave like that. But it is a problem, and that is something which the new Chief Justice, and I've had discussions with him, we need some guidelines and timelines so that the country at large can start to have confidence in our justice system.
He says action can be taken against the judges who do not comply. But Mr. Chuck says he would rather not go that route unless it's necessary.
Guyana, for example, has passed legislation to say that after 6 months, if a judgment is not delivered, it is judicial misconduct. There are other countries that withhold their salaries until they deliver the judgment. So, but I would like to feel that moral suasion can work. I am watching. I know that a lot of the backlog of judgments have now been delivered, but there are still quite a few which are outstanding.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.